Hi, welcome back to the PhotoshopTrainingChannel.com. I'm Jesus Ramirez. In this 90-second tip, you will learn why you should change the blending mode when making curves adjustments in Photoshop. The curves adjustment layer is a powerful tool that allows you to adjust the tonality of a photo, but sometimes you may inadvertently make adjustments that you did not intend to make. Let me show you what I mean. I'll go into the new adjustment layer button in the layers panel and select curves. Then in the properties panel, I will select the strong contrast preset, which of course applies contrast, meaning that it makes the dark colors darker and the brighter colors brighter. But you inadvertently adjust the saturation of the image. It's more noticeable in the dark reds in the skin. If you only want to adjust the brightness without affecting the saturation in the curves adjustment, then set the blending mode to luminosity. Notice the difference between the normal blending mode and the luminosity blending mode. Notice that the reds are not as intense and the photo has more contrast. If you would like to know more about Photoshop blending modes, then check out my blending modes tutorial here on YouTube. I share how they all work and what they do. I also have a companion article where I have a written version of the video. I'll place a link down below in the description. By the way, let me know in the comments if you like this technique. Also, don't forget to watch all of my other 90-second Photoshop tips. Again, the link to those is right below in the description. And of course, if you're new to the Photoshop Training channel, then don't forget to subscribe and to click on that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you again in the next video.